Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this Mobvoi Ticwatch Pro 5 Enduro. It's some kind of a special version of the Ticwatch 5 Pro. It's a very similar device, but it's a little bit more robust and it's supposed to have a little bit a longer battery runtime. It also has a different display protection. Doesn't come with Gorilla Glass, but actually with a stronger type of glass. And it also has a little bit a different crown, which is supposed to be a little bit easier to be used. Of course, we have a built-in Wear OS operating system here. Since they have started with this Ticwatch, we have this dual screen. So we have one which is visible even without background illumination for a very, very long battery runtime, if you like. But then of course you don't have all the functions, but as long as you have enough battery juice you can use the normal display. By the way, the watch which I've been wearing in the last couple of years, that's the Ticwatch 3 Pro Ultra. I think I bought it around 3 years ago and I still love it, but I just wanted to have an upgrade for a little bit faster CPU, maybe a little bit longer battery runtime. At the beginning I had battery runtime of up to 3 days. Now it's more like 1 day and sometimes it's a little bit lagging. But of course it's not the latest watch anymore. But the overall experience was good, apart that we lost the Google Assistant. But I've been able to add Alexa on my own, and so as far as I know we have to do same thing here. So if you need Google Assistant or Alexa, something like that, then we have to sideload it here as well. Maybe at a later point Mobvoi will be able to add it, hopefully. Yeah, something I almost forgot to tell is how nicely this watch has been holding up regarding the quality. Even after 3 years there's almost no wear and tear to see, and especially the charge has been absolutely awesome compared to some other brands where people are reporting problems with charging or some other problems. This one has been working really reliable, so I decided to go with another Mobvoi Ticwatch. And so I'm going to show you the unboxing here. I'm going to show you what you get, and I'm going to connect it to the app and let you know what my first impressions are. So here we are. So it comes with this really nice plastic band, but I'm going to replace it with my leather band, and we definitely can do that because it has this standard connection here in the back. I guess it's a 22mm, but we'll see. And as you can see, it has exactly same charging pin, so I should be able to use the old charger. It's maybe a little bit heavier. Another very important thing of the Enduro is that it has exactly same screen size, same performance, same battery as the normal 5 Pro, but it's a little bit thinner, as you can see. So let's remove the protection. Let's see what we get in the box. There are 2 boxes here inside, and this one is the charger. Looks very similar to the old one. And in the second box we have some instructions, quick guide and product safety information. And so here again we have them side by side. Old 3 Pro Ultra on the left side and the 5 Pro Enduro on the right side. If you ask me, I prefer actually the old style a little bit better, but of course we don't have any choice. But I think it's not a bad one. Compared to most of the other Wear OS watches, it's still the most beautiful one. Of course we have to remove also this protection in the back. And so let's see if we can also charge it with the old charger. That was from the 3 Pro Ultra. It has a safe lock but doesn't show anything. So let's try with the new one. I would say charger look exactly the same. Old one has even a little bit better lock, but it's not showing anything. That's a little bit disappointing. Maybe we have to wake it up with a long push here. Yeah, okay, now it starts. Yeah, that's pretty cool here. I just opened my phone. I didn't do anything. I didn't even open the Ticwatch app. and it just asks me if I want to connect. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Of course, I can't tell you what you have to turn on. Just make sure you go to the settings of your phone and turn on everything like Bluetooth, NFC and other stuff where it could identify if there's some other device close. So I can't really tell you based on what it has decided to show me that. Now, because of the talking, I lost this information. So I go manually now to the Mobvoi Health. That's the app which we need to download. Then we go to devices and click on plus here. Of course, that's only needed when you don't get this message. So we click on the plus, add new device, all the authorizations. And so it has found it now with Bluetooth anyway. Pair with your device, shows a Bluetooth pairing code, but actually I didn't have to cope with that. Looks like it paired it automatically. Connected successfully, connect to Google, connect Google account to your watch. And so we have to go through the whole setup. I think it's pretty much straightforward, very similar as we had it also with the old watch. Of course, there's some private information here. I can't show you everything. I had to sign in into my Google account. Then it shows you some apps which you have maybe already on your old watch or on your phone. You can also choose from recommended apps. So I'm going with the already installed ones. Wrapping up sounds very promising. Hi there. Okay, now some basic information how to use the watch. Swipe up for notifications, swipe down for quick settings, swipe from the left edge to go back as normal. You can swipe from the left edge on apps, tiles and more. Now let's learn about the tiles. Let's see what tiles we already have. Some weather information here, fitness and health information. Press the crown to go back to watch faces. From the watch face, press the crown for apps. Now it went back to the second display, so that's how it is. I would say very similar. Some people have been saying that the second display is not so good visible. Press the side button to see your recent used apps. Double press to see the last used app. Yeah, looks like setup is done and I got already the first notifications. So let's of course test the new charging cable. Yeah, works really good. You can see starts charging immediately. But let's also test if the old charging cable is still working. Yeah, exactly the same. I have even the impression that the old one is a little bit more tight compared to the original new one. This is a little bit loose. I mean, not totally, but I think as far as I remember, this was an aftermarket version anyway, so that's maybe a little bit better, but both work definitely. Let's maybe quickly check all the button functions. One push here on the right top. Yeah, that shows the recent apps definitely. But you can also go down, show all the apps. What can we do with double press? We can add some payment here, NFC payment. What do we have with long press? Long press on the right top brings us to the power functions, restart or power off. One push here on the right side, again all the apps, but we get definitely confirmation that there is no Google Assistant here, so we definitely have to sideload that. 2 times pressing shows also the payment, maybe that was the most recent app, and not only the list of the recent apps. Like double press on the right side brings me currently also to the payment settings. And long press on the right side won't do anything, at least not at the moment. As far as I heard, it should be possible to also configure the buttons. So let's quickly check some apps here. Yeah, the scrolling is absolutely amazing. Yeah, I've never seen such a really nice working crown till now. I've been a little bit worried at the beginning because I think it's a little bit thinner than the one from the normal 5 Pro. But this thing blows me away. That's absolutely awesome. Yeah, something which I really wanted to see, something like that, and it even exceeds my expectations. This is working so nicely, absolutely incredible. And so the usage highly depends, of course, on such a crown and how easy it is to use. It doesn't really help with a crown function which is barely working, but this thing is a lot of fun. Absolutely awesome. Exactly how it should work with such a watch. And everything is super responsive here. Yeah, that's absolutely amazing. And we can even use the crown instead of the slide down for the settings and instead of the swipe up for the notifications. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing. This thing blows me away how responsive this thing here is, especially compared to the old Ticwatch 3 Pro Ultra, which I had the impression was already really good. But the 5 Pro, and especially this one here, the Enduro 5, is on a total different level. Of course, I'm not going to show and explain all the apps and everything. I just wanted to show you my first impression, which is definitely absolutely awesome. Haven't seen any problems so far. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.